Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Cambridge Maths. Today we are going to solve a question from additional mathematics, and this particular question belongs to paper 060612 for the session October November 24, and we are going to solve the question number 10, which is the last of all questions of this paper. Let's read question. The question says the first three terms of an arithmetic progression are 2 10 2x, 5 10 2x, and 8 10 2x. Find the values of a when negative 180 until 180 is the value of x, for which the sum to 30 terms is 455 square root over 3. So let's write that this is an arithmetic progression for which first term a is equal to 2 tan 2x. 2 tan 2x. Well, then we know for arithmetic progression we find the common difference. So common difference d is equal to, if we subtract the first term from the second term is 5 tan 2x minus first term is 2 tan 2x. 2 tan 2x equal to 3 tan 2x. 3 tan 2x. Well, then the condition they have given is the sum of first 30 terms. Okay, so let us write sum of first 30 terms. That means S30 is equal to 455 square root over 3. 455 square root over 3. And we know the formula for summation of first n terms is n by 2. So that is 30 over 2. If we write here 30 over 2, 30 over 2, then 2a, a is 2 tan 2x, 2 tan 2x, 2a plus n minus 1, n minus 1, n is 30. Okay, we can write even n is equal to 30. Okay, n is equal to 30. Okay, so if n is 30, then it is the formula is n minus 1, so it is 29. 29d. What is the value of d? D is 3 tan 2x. 3 tan 2x equal to right side. How much is our right side? Our right side is 455, or 455 into, let me show from here. Okay, 455 square root over 3. Well, then if we simplify, if we divide 30 by 2, it is 15, and here 2 2s are 4 tan 2x, 4 tan 2x plus 3 29s are 87, 87 tan 2x, tan 2x equal to 455 into square root over 3, square root over 3. Well, so it is going to be 15 into, look at this, 4 tan 2x plus 87 tan 2x means 91. 91 tan 2x, tan 2x is equal to 455 into square root over 3. Well, then if we make tan 2x as subject, it is going to be 455 square root over 3. If we multiply 15 by 91, how much will it be? We don't need to do this multiplication. Let us write 15 into 91. So 91 can cancel. If 91 can cancel 455, it is 5. Then this 5 can cancel 15 by 3. So ultimately we have got, it is square root over 3 by 3, not square root over 3. Let us write square root over 3 can also dissolve. Square root over 3, if it dissolves 3, it is going to be square root over 3. So numerator is nothing but 1. Numerator is 1 and denominator is square root over 3. Okay. Then we will have to write 2x is equal to, let me take space. Okay. If we isolate 2x, or 2x is equal to 1 over square root over 3. Okay, 1 over square root over 3 is actually tan inverse of 1 over square root over 3 is actually 30 degree. Well, now let us see whether any condition given for the domain. Let us see the domain. Domain is given here. Let's have a look at this. This is the domain. Domain is what? From negative 180 until positive 180. So we'll have to redefine the domain, because the angle is given x, but our angle, we have got angle is 2x. So let us redefine the domain. So domain is given negative 180 until positive 180 for angle as x, but our angle is 2x, so we will multiply by 2, negative 180 into 2 until it is 2x, and this is 2 into 180. That means our angle should be negative 360 until positive 360. Well, so this is our domain. Now let us see our 10. Our range is positive. Look at this. If we have a look at this, our range is 1 over root over 3, which is positive. This is a positive range. So for positive range, angle falls in the first quadrant or third quadrant. Either angle is this is the angle, or this, all along this angle will be this in positive direction. At the same time, we can move in anti-clockwise direction also, and either angle is this, or angle will be all along until this. Okay, so these are the two cases for positive and negative direction. Well, so we have decided that tan inverse of 1 over square root over 3 is equal to 30 degree. Let me change the ink. Let's go back to the blue color. Okay, so our 2x is equal to tan inverse of root over 3 is 30 degree. Okay, so let us write first in the first quadrant it is 30 degree. Okay, for the third quadrant it is 180 plus 30, that means 210 degree. 210 degree. Then this is for anti-clockwise direction, the positive value of angle. Then if we move clockwise direction, it must be negative. So for the first one is negative 180 minus 30, so negative 150. It is going to be negative 150. Then for the first quadrant in clockwise direction, it is going to be 360 minus 30, so it is going to be negative, or negative 330 degree. Well, hence our x is going to be, our x will be, let me just think, if we divide each of the angles by 2, it is, let us start from the smallest one is 360, so 330. If we divide 330 by 2, it is going to be 165, negative 165 degree, the first value, negative 165 Let me zoom it out. Negative 165 degree, 65 degree. Okay, this is the list value. Then next list value is, if we divide uh, 150 by 2, it is going to be 75 degree, negative 75 degree, negative 75 degree. After that, the third list value is 13, 30. If we divide 30 by 2, it is 15 degree, and the greatest of all value is 210. If we divide 210 by 2, it is going to be 105 degree, 105 degree. So that's all about the values of x. They have told us to find the value of x in the given range. So these are the all values of the angle of x. This takes these four values. Okay, so let's move on to solution number B. The next question is over here. Let's see what it says. The question says the first three terms of a geometric progression are 5 cos square theta minus pi over 2, 20 cos 4 theta minus pi over 2, and 80 cos raised to 6 theta minus pi over 2, where minus pi over 6 until 7 theta, the value of theta, that means range of theta is from minus 30 degree until plus 210 degree. Find the values of theta for which this geometric progression has a sum to infinity. This is the most complicated question of this paper. Okay, so let's start solving this stepwise. First of all, let's write the first term a. First term is what? 5 cos square theta minus pi over 2. Then for common ratio, for geometric distribution or geometric progression, we find the common ratio. Common ratio r is equal to, if we divide second quantity 20 cos raised to 4 over theta minus pi over 2, it will be divided by 5 cos square theta minus pi over 2. If we do simplification, it is going to be 4 cos square, 4 cos square theta minus pi over 2 is our angle. Well, then they have told us to find the values of theta when the progression has a sum to infinity. So for sum to infinity, let us write for sum to infinity, in infinity, we know the condition is the common ratio will be from negative 1 until positive 1. This should be the range of the common ratio. So if we simplify this, it is negative 1. What is our r? We have just found r is 4 cos square, 4 cos square, 4 cos square theta minus pi over 2 less than 1. Then if we divide the whole of the expression by whole of the inequality by 4, it is going to be negative 1 over 4 less than cos square theta minus pi over 2 less than 1 over 4, 1 over 4. Let us simplify this. Let's have a look at this. Here our, look at this, cos square is the, cos square can never be actually negative. The range cannot be negative, so the least value for cos square is actually 0. It may be minimum, it should be 0. So because remember, cos square graph can never possess a value which is negative. The minimum value of cos square will be 0. So 0 until cos square theta minus pi over 2 less than 1 over 4. Well, then if we find the square root of every term, it is going to be 0 less than cos theta minus pi over 2 less than square root of 1 over 4 is actually negative positive 1 over 2. Well, so here also there is a twist. Look at this. It is written 0 until positive or negative 2. Okay, that means actually the value is from negative half until positive half, cos theta minus pi over 2 less than half. Okay, I think you got my points, because from 0 less than half and 0 less than negative half means actually the value, the range is from negative half until half. Well, now we'll have to draw a cosine graph. Let us draw the graph. Let us find a space to draw the graph. Okay, let us draw the graph over here. Okay, we can draw the graph over here. Suppose this is our x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is our y-axis. Okay, and cos graph look like this. Okay, you know that cos graph is symmetrical in the line of y-axis. In the y-axis, this is our 0, and here it is going to be pi over 2, pi over 2. Here it is going to be pi, then this is 2 pi, here 2 pi. Okay, then let us find, here it is negative pi over 2, negative pi over 2, negative pi over 2, this is pi, negative pi, and after that it is negative 2 pi, negative 2 pi. Well, now let's see what is the range. Our range is, look, it is from negative half until half. So let us draw, assume that this, suppose here it is half, positive half, this positive half, and this is our negative half. Okay, it may be over here, this is our negative half, negative half. Okay, now we will have to find what is the range. Our range is from positive half until negative half. So which portion is our range of values? Or here there is half, that means this portion, this portion is our range of value, and this is the second range, and again these, there are three parts. Okay, these three parts are the values of the theta or pi, whatever. Now let's see, look at this, this is our cosine graph. Okay, for cosine graph, and range is half. When is half? Cos half is equal to, we know that cos half is pi over 3, that means 60 degree. So this is, here it is 60 degree, it is 60 degree. Let us write, this one is 60 degree. So surely as the graph is symmetrical, this is also negative 60 degree, negative 60 degree. Well, if this is negative 60 degree and here it is half, this is, that means 90 degree, so it is going to be 120 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree, this is negative 120 degree, and this is 90 degree. Okay, this will be 90 degree. So 120 degree, if we write, it is going to be because will it be 120? Difference between 60 and 90 is 30 degree. So this is pi over 2 plus 30 degree, that means 120 degree. So let us write 120 degree is 120 degree means 2 pi over 3 for positive value. Then in the negative side, this is going to be negative 2 pi over 3. So our range is actually this, as I have shown, this portion is our range. We'll have to find the value of this. Okay. Then you may ask a question that why am I rejecting the third part? Actually, third range is, look at this. Here there is pi. Okay, this is pi and this is 2 pi. So it's almost close to 2 pi and more than 2 pi. Let us see whether it is acceptable or not. In the domain it is given, look at this. Theta must fall from negative pi over 6 means 30 degree, and this is 6 over, I mean 7 pi over 6 means 30, 210 degrees. So it is actually negative 30 degree until 210 degree. Okay, but if we have a look at the graph in the third phase, it is actually more than, look at this, it is almost close to 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. Okay, and more than 360 degrees, so it's out of actually range. So these two phases should be found. Let's find the first values. First values is over here, this part. Okay, negative part. So we can write negative 2. Let me draw a line over here. Okay, negative 230. Hence let us write one notation. Hence negative 2 pi over 3, negative 2 pi over 3. Our angle is what? Our angle is theta. Look at this, this is our angle, theta minus pi over 2 until negative pi over 3. We are calculating the first, the negative range, I mean negative value of theta. So if we add up pi over 2, it is going to be negative 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 2, pi over 2, then theta minus pi over 2 less than, oh, I don't have space, let me try to write it. It is going to be minus pi over 3 and plus pi over 2. So if it is so, we have added up pi over 2 to all of these three parts, then there will be no pi over 2 because it has been already subtracted. Okay, so it is now simply a theta. This is our theta. Well, then if we simplify this, it is going to be negative 2 pi over 3. Hence the first range is going to be, look at this, 360, it is negative 120. From negative 120, if we subtract 90, that is negative 30 degree. So it is going to be negative 30 means negative pi over 6. You can do this calculation taking long time also, but it will show the same result. Once again I am telling, this is actually 120 degree, negative 120 plus 90. From 120, if we subtract 90, it will be nothing but 30 degree less than theta. Then here it is positive 90 minus negative 60, so it is going to be 30 degree, that is pi over 6. So this is one of the values, this is one of the answers. No, don't let's not write answer over here. Okay, this is the, this part, you can see here, this is actually this range. Okay, this range has already been obtained. Now the second range, this one, and we have already rejected the third one. So let me write this just over here using a different angle. So for the second range, it is going to be um, 2 pi over 3, pi over 3, pi over 3 until theta, our angle is theta minus pi over 2 until 2 pi over 3. It was 2 pi over 3. Well, then if we add up pi over 3, if we add up pi by 2, it is going to be only theta. Okay, then that is 2 pi over theta, 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 2. Let us do the calculation. It is, hence, it is 60 degree plus 90 degrees, so it is going to be actually what, 60 degree plus 90 degree means 150 degree. So 150 degree is 5 pi over 3. 60 5 pi over 6, sorry, not 3, it should be 6, it should be 6. So yes, then theta, this is going to be uh, 360, 120 plus 9, 210. So 210 is actually 6 over 7 pi. So these two are the range of theta, that is values of theta, not range, this is actually domain. Domain of theta is going to be this. These two are the answers. These two are the answers. One answer is this one is one answer, one of the possible values, and another one is this. So we can write here, we erasing this, we can use hence symbol. Okay, let us use hence symbol. Hence our value is, our domain is from 5 pi over 6 until 7 pi over 6. So this is the whole solution to this question. As I have told, this is a little bit twisted, and there are some other ways also solving this, but I found it more logical and simpler. That's why I followed this method. So once again, if I recap, first of all, we have found r, and remember, for sum to infinity, actually the range of r, that means value of r should be in between -1 until 1. Finally, we have got that our angle is this cos theta. This is the angle cos theta is going to be, it is from -half until half. For that, we have drawn a cosine graph, and cosine graph is symmetrical in y-axis. That's why our range is half. So half occurs when the theta is pi over 3, means 60 degree, because 60 degree is equal to half. So definitely it is pi over 3. This should be pi over 3, and as this is symmetrical, it will be negative pi over 3. And after that, this one should be, as this is pi over 3, that means 30 degree less than 90 degree. So the next point, the negative half, when range is negative half, it will be 30 degree more than that 90 degree. So it is negative 120 and positive 120. After that, we have found the first two ranges, because third value, this has been rejected. Why did we reject? I have explained that our domain is here. Let me show once again. Our domain is from 30 degree until 210 degree. It is beyond our domain. Our domain should be between 30, -30 until how much? 210. So it is more than 200. If it is 180, look at this. Here there is pi. It is 180. If this is 180, how can we accept that this is more than 180? So that is out of our domain. That's why we have rejected that one. In the domain, we got these two ranges of values. Then finally we have found that our range of values are from negative 30 until positive 30, and from negative 150 from positive 150 until 210. And remember, in both cases this is excluding the value of 0, and exclude here, exclude, if you use, this is not necessary, but for your understanding you write excluding 0. Excluding 0 cannot be the range of value, I mean common ratio, excluding 0, and here excluding pi cannot be accepted here. So that's all about this twisted solution. I tried my level best to explain every tiny part of this solution. Let me show you the previous solution, which one was one of the simplest and easiest solution. You can do it yourself, but for B, you can follow my clarification if it is possible. And thank you all for being with me. May Allah bless all of us with beneficial knowledge. Goodbye. Fi amanillah.